E zomer aqui, planeta Terra lo drei un tiki mais liher que o normal, causando que algum dia tabira mais cortico. Dia 10 de Juli, taote dia mais cortico te cowor, durando 1.36 milisegundos menos que um dia normal de 24 horas. Outro dia na lota 22 de Juli e 5 de agosto, que porta 1.34 e 1.25 milisegundos menos respectivamente. Esse aí pone que a rotação de Terra não está sempre estável. Factor natural maneira é força gravitacional de Luna, cambio de tempo da atmosfera e influência do núcleo líquido de Terra por causa de variação no chiquito. Ora ta mide de milisegundo, ta usa tecnologia maneira satellite, GPS e sistema de comunicação. Para esse aí, ciência ta usa o loche atômico for 1955 para seguir tempo com grande precisão. UTC ta é standard mundial para tempo e ta seguir tur aparato digital maneira telefone, computer e outro sistema. Experto não está preocupado com o cambio contínuo por causa do problema de futuro maneira Y2K, que está ameaçado de pôr paro na civilização. E doinan de auto de marca Tesla aworti caminda para charge ng auto e come a la vez na Los Angeles. Jaluna tao ting apertura de diner futurístico bao encargo de Tesla. Aqui nang ta Robotnan só ta sirbi e comida. Nos colega de CNN Nicole Comstock a papi ko cliente nang kuta hopi satisfecho com o serviço.
With a line around the block and a parking lot full of people, Hollywood's new Tesla diner captivated its first customers.
I think it's interesting that maybe finally we've come full circle again, that drive-ins maybe start coming back again.
Sean and his dog Bella were excited to sample the menu.
Bella is going to get one of the burgers, I think, yeah.
Elon Musk's restaurant has been in the works for quite some time. Tesla calls it a retro-futuristic American diner, drive-in experience, and the world's largest urban supercharging station, all wrapped into one.
I feel like it's different than normal restaurants. And the robots, yeah. I didn't know anything of this. And he was like, yeah, the robot serves you popcorn. And I was like, really?
That's not the last we heard about the robots.
Of the walls, they're like robots of the past times. They had 2023 robot, the first one they made, the 2022.
Frankie and Clea are influencers. They rate experiences and activities on YouTube and say the Tesla diner did not disappoint.
I got the burger and the fries were really good. They were perfectly salted.
Planning and construction for the drive-in have been in the works for years, well before Musk became President Trump's Doge director, slashing and burning his way through Washington, leaving with a 62% unfavorable rating in a poll. Despite this, it was packed tonight.
There are fans and there are haters like always.
Daniel says the Tesla diner was one of his reasons for visiting from Germany.
I think Teslas are very cool cars. And Elon Musk, everybody has a different opinion, especially in Europe.
And Ron says he's not surprised Elon pulled off a successful opening night despite the controversy.
Not really. Elon could do what Elon wants to do. He makes things happen.
Legendario icono di rock Ozzy Osbourne a fayece awe rondo na di famiglia na edad di 76 anos. E tawata e cantante principal di legendario banda Black Sabbath di género heavy metal. Su familia ha publicado una declaración expresando una tristeza profunda y pidiendo privacidad mientras tanta lamenta e pérdida de casa y tata estima. Fanático na ron mundo ta rinde tributo na Ozzy Osbourne, quien su legado lo viva pa medio de generación ng diamante de heavy metal.
He was called the Prince of Darkness. And for half a century, British musician Ozzy Osbourne rocked heavy metal fans worldwide. As frontman for Black Sabbath, Osbourne's charisma and wildness on and off the stage
had I known it was a real battle, I would never have bitten into it.
Transcended music and made him a cultural phenomenon.
Ozzy Osbourne.
Born in Birmingham, England in 1948, John Ozzy Osbourne left school at 15 and found inspiration after hearing the Beatles on the radio.
I can remember the first time I heard She Loves You. That changed my life because I thought, that's what I want to do.
Osbourne became lead vocalist of the band that would become Black Sabbath in 1968 and pioneered a daring, genre-defining new sound. The heavy guitar and riff-based albums Black Sabbath and Paranoid captivated audiences in 1970. As Black Sabbath's fame exploded, so did Osbourne's hell-raising behavior. He was fired from Black Sabbath for drug and alcohol abuse in 1979. Those same issues broke up Osbourne's first marriage and followed him for decades.
Have you been tempted to go back to the drug usage?
All the time. I mean, when you're a drug addict, you don't stop being a drug addict because you stop taking them.
But Sharon Arden, the daughter of Black Sabbath's manager, helped get him back on his feet and encouraged him to go solo. Osbourne's debut single, Crazy Train, got the singer back on the rails. Ozzy and Sharon married in 1982, and Sharon managed his career for the rest of his life. Their love was on full display to an entirely new audience in the 2002 MTV reality series, The Osbournes. Ozzy's dry, at times unintelligible humor and relatable parenting challenges endeared him to millions. And the fly-on-the-wall look at the Osbournes' expletive-laden daily life shot the family to fame. After years of speculation about his health, Osbourne revealed his Parkinson's disease diagnosis in an interview with Good Morning America in 2020. But Osbourne was committed to making more music, and 3 years later, he won 2 Grammys for his album Patient Number 9, bringing his Grammy total to 5. Osbourne reunited with his bandmates over the years to record their last album, 13, and for Black Sabbath's final The End concert tour in 2016. Osbourne made over 20 albums and is among the elite group inducted into the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame twice. From Prince of Darkness to reality TV show Dad, Ozzy Osbourne was a man, a myth, and a legend.
Aldric Werleman, Telenoticia.